If you're tired of waking up the second the sun rises or dealing with the blind glare on your TV, these Joydeco Blackout Roller Shades might just be the budget-friendly option that's available to solve this problem. Now, what I love about these is they are easy to pull up and down, and they are 52 by 72 inch premium woven variant. Comes in several different colors of fabrics, but what I have here is in my master bedroom, and look at the quality of this cassette at the end, and the top, which is behind these curtains here, is an absolute finished edge that can stand alone without curtains. Now this is in my master bedroom, and it has 100% blackout. Now I can lift it up and have the natural light in when I want, and what I love about these is they're so easy to move up and down that I can just bring them a little bit down, partially blocking the light. I can block out just the light at top and let some natural light come in the bottom. I can block it out completely. And when I take these curtains down, it is a finished look completely on its own in this window. Now, I love the fact that they're so tall and so easy to pull up and down. They have a special proprietary mechanism in there that just moves up and down very easily, and it stops anywhere along the way. So it's as if I have a customizable shade at every single level. And I can leave a little bit of light at the bottom and just adjust it like with one fingertip. Now let's take a look at this up close. This is the white. Now they have a beautiful textured proprietary premium blend here that makes them look more like a high-grade fabric rather than your traditional roller shade. And the cassettes at the bottom and the top are a clean line, contemporary smooth rail top and bottom cassette, protection, temperature balancing, noise reduction, and UV protection. They were extremely easy to install with all the screws and hardware included, and it was done in about 10 minutes. These were provided from me by Joydeco for my honest opinion, and I am so pleased. I would highly recommend these. Please like and follow us for more from this great brand.